Hey, Terry here again to answer another question. Number 1, synthetic hair is made of a synthetic fiber, and though it looks and feels like real hair, it does not act like real hair. You cannot do any kind of chemical service on synthetic hair. It will not color, it will not bleach, it will not perm. However, the color on synthetic hair will actually last longer. It will not fade as fast as natural hair. But if you do try to use any kind of hot tool like a curling iron, flat iron, or blow dryer on synthetic hair, you could actually melt the hair itself. The great thing with synthetic hair is that the shape of the hair maintains throughout the life of the hair. So if you have a specific shape to that hair, it will never actually lose its shape. Natural hair is the best way to go if you're looking to be someone to style your hair, if you want to actually use hot tools, or if you're looking to color the system at any point in time. If you have any more questions, leave them down below. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos from superhairpieces.com. See you next time. Bye.